How to get Netflix account for free forever. Chances are you'll be looking for how one can get Netflix for free without a credit card? Then you landed on the proper place. However, this time, one thing extra attention grabbing. Excited? Getting Netflix is a really tedious process if you happen to don't have the correct methodology or useful resource. There are numerous websites accessible on the Google SERP, which claims free of charge Netflix account without a bank card. You've additionally visited a number of them and sadly didn't get any working methodology, but these websites have simply added a pretend checklist of the way to seize site visitors. These websites don't care concerning the consumer. They've simply posted the article to seize consideration utilizing clickbait. Earlier than continuing additional, let me you conscious of Netflix. I do know a lot of you guys learn about Netflix. It's a request you to please skip this para. It's only a 1-minute studying para higher to know extra about Netflix's free account. What's Netflix? Netflix is a well-liked American nation that gives us with watching TV exhibits, film streaming online, and video on-demand options. Netflix has gained greater than 50 million subscribers as a result of its wonderful providers. However, there's a dangerous half. Netflix supplies a paid service. There are just a few days of free Netflix trial account shared by them. After a number of days, it's essential to have a Netflix free account and password to proceed online films and present streaming. I do know after studying the above paragraph. Now you guys will annoy Google by looking for how one can get a free Netflix account, how one can get Netflix free of charge without a bank card, Netflix free trial without a bank card, the best way to get Netflix free of charge without end, and so forth. Not solely this, however, some legend individuals additionally seek for the best way to hack Netflix's premium account or free Netflix account hack methods. Haha. I do know you're additionally amongst them. Simply kidding. Suppose you're in search of a Netflix password that go to this boast Netflix account free of charge. However, this time, you're landed on the proper place. Right here on this publish, you'll get greater than 10 plus strategies to get Netflix free of charge. Sure, you heard it proper. After studying this publish, you possibly can take pleasure in all of your favorite Netflix exhibits free of charge. Beforehand, peoples are utilizing the cookies methodology to get free Netflix. They save the cookies in Google Chrome utilizing extensions. These days, Netflix turns into smarter. These low-cost methods gain at work anymore. Nothing to fret about, mate. All it's essential to do is learn this totally informative publish on getting Netflix free of charge. Right here we're sharing the most effective methodology to make use of Netflix's free trial without a bank card. Sure. You possibly can take pleasure in a free Netflix account in 2020 with none hustle. Please scroll down the web page to discover ways to use Netflix's free trial without a bank card. To not fear associates, after studying this publish, you got here to know the best way to get Netflix free of charge without a bank card. How one can get a digital card, step by steps. 1. First, go to the https://wireexap.com/website. 2. When on the right hand facet of the positioning, click on Open Account. 3. Then fill in your registration particulars reminiscent of nation, electronic mail, and password. 4. Register your account. 5. For those who obtain your electronic mail affirmation. After your mail affirmation, click on In Your Profile Data and create it. 6. Now click on Bank Card Order. 7. Then choose the foreign money choices reminiscent of US Greenback, GBP, Euro, and Extra. 8. Lastly, test all of your particulars, and if there may be an error fixing it, then ship it out ultimately. 9. Right, here's your bank card prepared now. Final trick to get free Netflix account, quick. We have now shared 5+ methods on how one can get Netflix free of charge without credit score. It's best to test. Course of 1, for getting free Netflix account. Obtain the Netflix app from Google Play Store. Open app. For those who see the Attempt Now button, then shut the app. Shut your cellular knowledge. Clear cache and clear information of Netflix. Open cellular knowledge and once more open Netflix. Course of 2, for getting free Netflix account with PayPal account. In case you're unwilling to share your checking account private data, you need to use PayPal for cost at Netflix. PayPal is among the finest and most secure strategies to make a cost if you happen to lack a bank card. I am additionally utilizing PayPal for many of my online transactions. Simply go to PayPal's official website and create an account there. Enroll course of may be very simple, it's a must to spend just a few seconds of your life getting a Netflix free account without a bank card. Attention grabbing nah. On the time of creating Fiat Netflix, simply sign up to your account and growth. You've efficiently obtained a free Netflix account 2020 without a bank card. Course of 3, previous debit card with zero stability to get free Netflix account. You should utilize your previous debit card, which isn't used to get a free trial of Netflix. Netflix doesn't require any stability for giving a free trial. Simply put the automobile variety of your debit card and CVV and the date of validity. Confirm the cardboard with OTP, only verification, no balance is required. After you enter OTP all carried out, you get a free trial now. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.